Guys, I lost the drone somewhere. There was high wind velocity and it was not coming back. So now I'm going to check it in the location. Let's see what happens. Guys, we have lost the drone. So I got the location in Find My Drone app. So we are going in this thick forest. Let's see what will happen. May God bless us. Guys, it has been already 3 to 4 hours and we are searching still in this thick jungle. I don't know what the result is going to be, but I am not going to lose the hope till the light is gone. Guys, this is crazy. The terrain is so tough. This would be the my hardest truck ever in my life. Whew, you see. But we need to make this mate. This is the toughest one. See how slant the way is. We are going like this. Even I have no idea what we are going to do. Yes, can you see the beautiful view from here? We are almost in the middle of the forest. I know I should not risk this. Guys, this is where it shows the location is. But we cannot figure it out. Here the bushes are so tangled. And the light is fading away. And I think now we completely lost the drone. Yeah guys, so we went so deep into the forest. So we cannot go back. We came half the way. But we are unable to make back to the place. So I think we are going to stay in the forest for night. And let's see what will happen. Yeah. So this is how we are surviving the cold. It's 3 o'clock right now. Maybe in 2 hours we'll get the light and then we'll start our journey back.
What is it around?
I slept till 2 o'clock. After that the cold has increased so dramatically. So now we are just sitting in front of this fire and waiting for the light to come. Guys, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. Somehow we survived till the morning. That's a great news. Now we should go back. We should trek 1 kilometer towards the car. That's the last task we have. Let's see. Guys, this is the last try we are giving. So I'm sending 6 people. I'm sending 6 people to find the drone, and they have all the knives. Thank you very much, guys. So as I said, I'm not going with them because my energy levels are so down, and I got so many bruises that I can't take a risk anymore. So maybe this is the last try we are giving. 6 people is good, I guess. After this, I'll leave the drone. Okay, let's hope for good. So until they come, let me explain you the brief story. But you could see the journey, how tough it was. So how I lost the drone is, I flied it 600 to 700 meters away from me. After that, suddenly what happened, there was high wind velocity and the drone went forward automatically. It was not in my control anymore, and I also tried to keep it in sports mode and call it back to home because I understood, and by the time there was still 60% of battery to call it back to home, but it was not coming because the wind was so high that the drone was only going in the opposite direction. Somehow it lost control completely, and after 20% it just landed in the forest somewhere. So that was it, guys. But drone is my favorite camera, so I could not lose hope. So I'm giving this much of tries. No problem. Sometimes it happens. I almost only used it for a year. I really like Mavic. It was not only Mavic's fault. The wind was so high even Mavic could not do anything. Accidents happen and mistakes happen and shit happen. So that's okay, guys. Maybe this is the opportunity that from tomorrow I can talk to you guys more closely without the drone and can explain you. Okay. Yeah, I'm a bit sorrow, but that's okay. It's part of life. Yesterday night I did not have proper sleep, so I'm very tired. So I'm just laying down in the forest. I'm waiting for them to come back. And don't worry guys, everything is fine. From tomorrow I'll be back online and we'll do some good vlogs. I'm happy that I can talk to you guys much. So chill. If there is anything interesting in the evening, if I have energy, I will make video out of it. Otherwise this is it for the day. Guys, the mission is failed, so even they could not find the drone. I think it's lost. Anyhow, now I am going to a property which is a very good property, which is called as Triperi Estates. So let's go and see how the property is. It's a beautiful property guys, you got a fantastic scene over there. Okay guys, we are entering the property. It is called as Tipperary Estates. So this is the entry. I'll show you the property later. So guys, we are in the property now. Shiva is guiding me. There is an accommodation on the tree. It is called as tree top. Now we'll go closer and see how the view looks from the top of it. This is the view from tree top. See how fantastic the view is. So guys, it's a 150 acres of property. So the main theme of this property is off-roading. So they got 4 viewpoints. As I already showed you one, tree top, and I'll show you the bungalow. Maybe tomorrow we'll go for the off-roading experience and have the best view of the property, which has 180 degrees. And the whole property grows pepper and coffee over here. You can see it's in my hand. So this is pepper and this is coffee. Before the coffee grows like this, now it's done for the plucking. It is one of the coolest property you can see in Yarkad guys. The main reason is it is because of its view. The view is so fantastic. In the night I need to show you the view. The whole city shines like golden gems, which I will show you in the night. There are other good properties, but I'm 100% sure they are not offering you this beautiful view. And this one is just 1.3 kilometers away from the city center. Remaining other campsites are like 18 kilometers or 19 kilometers away from the center. So I think it is the best place. If you come to Yarkad, I definitely recommend this place. You are going to have a great time. So this is where I am going to tent tonight, or 2-3 days more, and you can enjoy the beautiful sunset from here. So this is the view guys, as you can see. It's so beautiful. In the night it turns so romantic guys, I can't even explain you. I'm sure that you will not live anywhere else for one day if you're in this place. The property is like that. As I said to you, see the view. It's a romantic view. Wow, can't believe this beauty, man. See dude. Wow. Guys, it's hard to capture the beauty of this place. It's more beautiful than what you're seeing in this video. I wish that you could see the view from my eyes. You will definitely not have any words at all. So guys, these are called bisons, the local famous animals. They are very dangerous. Lucky that I am in car. So it's very lucky scene, and it's a very rare scene. They're very dangerous. If they see you alone, they'll come and poke you, and you're dead. And there are so many cases like that. Now we are going for a safari, night safari, to see the view and some bison animals. So guys, we have started our journey. It's 10 o'clock right now. We are going in 2 jeeps, total 10 people. So this trip is going to last for 2 hours, and they'll charge 550 rupees per person. And we're gonna see some animals. I guess, we are not sure, but I'm looking forward for the adventure. See the fog. I'm very excited guys. Wow. Our first destination, it's called as Viewpoint. It is the one of the 4 viewpoints, as I said you before. So it has a 180-degree view. The city what you are seeing is called as Salem City. It's a beautiful experience, guys. Second viewpoint, guys, called as Echo Point. As you can see, people are shouting there. And the last spot is back to the treetop. Now let's go and see the view, how it looks in the night.